Today, I'm trying Carbonara Buldak for the first time and taking a small dive into the history of Samyang Foods, which is the creator of the infamous Buldak noodles. Did you know that Samyang Food is actually the first producer of ramyeon in Korea? And have you ever wondered why instant ramen is so deeply ingrained in the Korean diet? Samyang Foods originally was a small flour manufacturer in 1961 founded by Jung Yoon Chun, who was a former insurance executive. South Korea has limited arable land, therefore limited agricultural production. On top of that, the Korean War in the early 50s left South Korea in a state of poverty. After witnessing South Koreans eat leftovers by U.S. soldier stations because they had no food, some sources say the founder was inspired to adopt instant noodle making technology from Japan to produce low-cost and easily accessible food. Samyang's chicken instant ramen would make its debut in September 1963, which back then only cost 1 cent in Korean won, cheaper than a cup of coffee, which was huge to a starving population. Fast forward to 2012, Buldak Ramen, which literally means fired chicken in Korean, was released and took the world by storm with the Fire Noodle Challenge. Oh, Buldak Carbonara. Oh my god, it is so good. If you have not tried it yet, I mean, I might be the only one who hasn't, but if you happen to have not, you have to. It is so good.